Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys can hear me. Today we just decided to go on a little walk, get some fresh air, and we're gonna head back to the house. We're gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. I have all kinds of stuff to show you. What I've been helping out with small businesses, just fun things to do at home, and just supporting other people who are struggling during this time. So yeah, so let's get back home and I'm gonna show you guys some cool things that I got for tie-dyeing this weekend, and you guys will see that in an upcoming video. So let's just go ahead and head home. Hey guys, we are back home. So I just want to unbox a few things and show you the things that I'm going to be doing during this quarantine. There's a lot of stuff that we are not able to do anymore. So I just want to show you guys how I'm supporting other people in these crazy hard times. So let's just get right into this. I have some packages that I have not opened yet and I wanted to share them with you guys. So first thing, my Ipsy bag came. I had this canceled and then all of a sudden it withdrew from my account. So I'm kind of excited for this, kind of something a little uplifting. So let's open this together and let's see what's inside. I actually already know what's inside because they show you online and I'm super excited about it. So here's the bag, little Ipsy bag. Oh, it's got a wooden little detail here. And we have Space Cosmetics, a bronzer. This is what I was most excited about. So this is a little bronzer in here. We have another Luxie brush. It says large shader brush, so a little eyeshadow brush. Next we have vitamin C primer from Kismet. This looks very interesting. It looks like it has some shimmer in it, like little specks of glitter almost. So of course I'll be trying this out and I'll let you guys know how it works and how I like it with my makeup. And then we have Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. That's exciting. I love collecting all the skincare stuff. So when you travel, you have really good product of sample size to try. So these always come in handy. I keep all of these. I was counting my products and I have 4 and I was like, where's the other one? So there's one more in here. This is the Myriad Hydration Nutrient Charged Water Gel. I have a sample size of this brand and I absolutely love it. This one is 0.25 fluid ounces, so it's this tiny little thing like this. And then we have these guys. So we got all of these today. Let's open the bronzer really quick and see what that looks like. Ew, that looks beautiful. Space Cast Cosmetics. It looks like it has the tiniest bit of shimmer. It's very pigmented already. This looks like a perfect shade for me. I'm really excited to try this guy. This is called Fakecation on Mars. So love that. Thank you, Ipsy. This month was so awesome. I love everything I have. So thank you. And this is a cute little bag. I love this color. So let's move on. So another thing that I've noticed is a lot of women who have their usual routine. They love to go get their nails done, their hair done, their eyelashes done, their eyebrows done. And we can't do that right now. So I suggest that you guys go to your nail lady who is the Color Street Nail, the Jamberry Nails. Those guys, they're just as good, and all their wraps, they're so amazing. I'm not very good at applying them, so that will be for another video. But I want to show you guys what I got. My mom came across a woman who was selling them, so she grabbed me some. These are like a navy blue color. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting, but they're navy blue. And my local lady, I wanted to support her, and so I got these two colors, this pretty spring blue color. I'm really excited to put these ones on. And then I just got a plain white. I will link her website down in the description box if you guys want to support her. She's so amazing, and she's got all kinds of stuff that you can't find on the website. So if you have someone, ask them if they have something that's sold out, because more than likely they do, and they can give it to you personally. So I love Color Street. You don't have to have heat or anything. So I'm going to try and do a separate video trying to apply these, and I'm going to find some tips and tricks for you guys, or just kind of learn along the way. So I'm really excited about these. I will be putting these on here soon. I usually never do my nails, but I'm super excited about these, and it's just kind of a one and done, and they don't really chip at all. So I love these. Look up your Color Street if you guys can, and support small businesses like these guys. Now we're gonna move on to my new favorite small company. This company is very small, very small. So this one's called 43 Supply Co. And they are a very young Idaho-based company, and they're all about. Let me just show you what I got. Aww. So I open it up. It looks like there's another little note, and it's personalized. Thanks, guys. So when you open it up, it looks like this. They have 43. If you guys didn't know, Idaho is the 43rd state. And they kind of ran with it around the guidelines of Idaho. So they have 43, the packaging like this, and we'll just slide it out. So my boyfriend has this exact same shirt, and he wears it all the time. And so he had it in blue, and I got it in black. So here's the front of it. It's this small little detailed, and it's so soft. Holy cow. These are really soft. The small little details on the inside, the side, and it says 43. So this is the little pocket area. And then on the back, it has the 43 for Idaho in the mountains. And then you can see the Idaho here on the the little details. So these guys, the Supply Co., $18.90. So the reason why I love these guys so much, I met them at the expo, and the company was only about 3 weeks old when I talked to them. They're the nicest people, and they're all about supporting people who are outdoors. They love to go hiking and skiing and horseback riding, hunting and fishing, snowboarding. There's a lot of cyclists through the city, and there's a lot of people that will just drive an hour or even 30 minutes, and they're out camping already very close to home. And so that's what Idaho is really all about. You can drive not very far and still enjoy your city limits and enjoy your outdoorsy time. So these guys created this company for everyone who loves to be outdoors, and right now is a really good time to be outdoors. Yes, there are some things that are closed that you can't get into, but these guys are supporting everyone, so I love to support these guys. The shirt is so soft, and it's all about the little details. I love this. Let me go grab my other sweater that I have. I wear it all the time, and I love supporting them. It's one of my favorite light jackets. So I know I'm wearing a Seattle, Washington shirt. Didn't quite think about this, but since I do live in Idaho, I've been here for about 4 years now. When I came across these guys, I supported them, and I got this jacket. I am a sucker for quarter zip jackets, and I love polos. So this is just a very light, I think it's water resistant, and it has the small little details here. It has the 43 in the corner. It's got a hood, and then it just zips like maybe halfway. And then at the bottom, it also has pockets. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but there's also pockets on it, and it's just this very lightweight. There's elastic on the sleeves, and then there's drawstring on both sides on the bottom, so you can have it scrunched up or you can have it loose. And I love wearing it over a sweatshirt if it's going to be like a rainy day, but it's not too cold outside. This has been very awesome. You can work out in it and be very lightweight, but still covered up. So yeah, 3 Supply Company, thanks you guys. I love supporting you, and I can't wait to see more what you guys are coming out with. And I will have, of course, everything linked down in the description below. And so let's move on to what else we're doing. Okay, and the last thing that we're gonna unbox is, actually it's not boxed or packaged, but we are getting ready to do some tie-dye, and I want to show you guys what I'm using, even though I'll probably show you in the video anyways. It is a powder like tie-dye. So what I'm gonna do is, I got these 3 colors, and then I just kidding, I got 4 colors, and I'm gonna try the ice dye method. I have been binge watching tie-dye videos and all the different methods you can use. You can buy the kit and do liquid dye. You can submerge your stuff in bleach. If you have a colored shirt, you can reverse dye it and bleach it and have like white spots on it, which is really cool. You can have an ice dye, there's an acid wash dye, there's reverse dye where you dye it black or have a black shirt, bleach it, and then color it. I'm going to try and do all of it, or most of it. So, and then I also have these RIT dyes, and I'm still, looks like they're different brands, but I'm still trying to figure out how these work and just use a little bit of it. I know these are very concentrated, and a little bit goes a long way, and you have to really, really dilute them. So I have some squeeze bottles. I'm going to try and put these guys in there. So yeah, I also have some colored shirts, some white shirts, some clothes for family members I want to send them. So we're going to do a whole bunch of tie-dyeing stuff, and you guys keep a lookout for that video. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please think about anyone who is running a small business. Buying something really helps them out, whether it be something big or something small. It just keeps their spirits up, and honestly, they would want to do the same for you. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!